Whilst firmly focusing on combating Pakistani-sponsored terrorism, J&K police has paid equal attention to the menace of narco-terrorism. Under the leadership of the Honorable Lieutenant Governor, Shri Manoj Sinha ji, Nasha Mukt Abhiyan commenced on 11th of April 2026. To give the context, insofar as the war against narcotics goes, J&K police has shown consistent performance since the year 2023 in all parameters. There have been sustained property attachments, and from 2023 to 2026, in terms of attachment of property, there has been a 12-fold increase. J&K police has been ranked number 3 nationally during 2025 in this regard. There have been 240 PIT NDPS detentions. For PIT NDPS detentions, J&K police is ranked number 1 in the country in the year 2025. Specifically on Nasha Mukt Abhiyan, there has been nearly a 7-fold increase since the comparative period of the last year in the number of NDPS cases. 806 persons have been arrested who were involved in 724 cases, that is FIRs. The significant arrests made in this regard are Gulzar Ahmed alias Love Gujar, who was wanted in 28 cases. He has been recently arrested by Jammu Police. Similarly, Avneet Singh alias Nagi, who was wanted in 17 cases of Jammu province, he has also been apprehended recently. 667 kgs of narcotics and 19,000 units of psychotropic substances have been seized. Preventive action has been taken against 24 habitual drug offenders. 97 properties worth rupees 41.85 crores linked with narcotics have been identified and attached. The significant achievements which have been made during this Abhiyan: Anantnag police has attached properties worth 6.17 crores in a single case, which is the largest attachment so far. In a first of its kind, J&K police has attached properties beyond the unit territory of J&K, one each in Gurdaspur, Pathankot and Chandigarh. During the course of establishing backward linkages, Kulgam police has attached properties worth rupees 93 lakhs in Beli Charana, Jammu. 41 properties worth nearly 15 crores, courtesy the proceeds of narcotics trades, have been demolished so far by following the due process of law. Destruction of illicit poppy and cannabis cultivation has been carried out on 117 canals of land. 2,401 awareness and sensitization programs have been conducted in schools, colleges, and other public places, and most importantly in the identified hotspots, covering over 3 lakh participants. There has been focused inspection of pharmaceutical establishments. 5,238 chemists and druggist shops have been checked, and action has been initiated against 151 erring establishments. 4,962 kgs of narcotics and 6,493 units of psychotropic substances have been disposed of.
आपके राज्य की खबरें, आपके शहर की खबरें सबसे पहले जानने के लिए देखते रहें अमर उजाला। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें और पाएं हर अपडेट।